All right, welcome back. So our 4 points were 0, 4, 1, 5, 2, 6, and 3, 5. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to place those points. So we're going to run 0 and jump 4. This is point A. So if we wanted to label it point A, we could. Point B is 1, 5. So we're going to run 1 and we're going to jump 5. Here's point B. All right, point C, we run 2 and jump 6. I'm just arbitrarily naming these, or just randomly naming these. And then point D is going to be 3, 5. So we run 3 and jump 5. That's point D. All right. So as you can see, there is a pattern. If we draw a straight line through all of our dots as straight as possible, I'm just going to try and do this as straight as possible. Haha. All right. Then that is an actual illustration of your graph. So if you were trying to show your data for a science project or something, as you can see, your x-axis is the number of years. So when 0 years ran by, the plant was 4 inches. Your y-axis was the height of the plant. So in 0 years, it was 4 inches. In 1 year, it was 5 inches. 2 years, it was 6 inches. 3 inches, or 3 years, it was 7 inches. Remember, our formula is y equals x plus 4, because whatever our x value was, plus 4 equals y. 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 4 is, oh, I messed that one up. That should be a 7. Oops. Sorry for making that mistake. If anyone was confused, I can understand why. Yeah, our last point was 3, 7. So that's why it ended up there, and why I have no idea how I wrote 5, but I did. Okay, so here is our first completed graph. We took a table, we turned it into ordered pairs, we plotted our ordered pairs, and we found basically our pattern. It is a positive pattern. The more years that the plant exists, the taller it gets. All right, so let's look at one more example. Oh, they just did the same thing we did. So they found the 4 ordered pairs, they plotted the 4 points. So can we take a guess of how tall it will be in 4 years? So x plus 4 equals y, right? If our x is now 4 years plus 4 equals our total height. So it looks like in 4 years, our height would be 8 inches. And does it go along with the graph? Run 4, jump 8. Yeah, it follows the pattern precisely. It would still work. So it looks like if we had our plant for 4 years, then it would be 8 inches if it followed the same pattern. So that's how you can also use a graph to determine and check your work. Does this work? Does it line up? Yes, it does. All right, next, year 6. Let's see, so in 4 years, it was 8. That means 5 years, it'll be 9 inches. And then 6 years, it should be 10 inches. Let's use our formula, x plus 4 equals y. If we change our x to 6 plus 4, that makes our y 10. So we have a x of 4 and a y of 10. That is this point right here, 6, 10. So it does line up. It still follows our pattern. My line just got a little bit wonky though. All right. Year 10. So if you use the formula, as you can see on the graph, we don't have enough room to actually do this anymore because our graph only goes to 10. So if we took 10 plus 4, that would actually equal 14, right? So if our x is 10, our y equals 14, giving us an ordered pair of 10, 14. We can use the formula for this one, but using the graph is a little bit more difficult because our graph doesn't go past 10 on our y-axis. And right here's our y-axis, it only goes to 10, and our y on this one was actually 14. All right, so last one, go ahead and graph this information and see if you can find the pattern on the graph, and I'll see you when we get back.